This is just a little Yale 2" by 2" padlock. It can be raked. So I'm gonna go bottom of the keyway. Use the 20,000 Cobra Instruments wave rakes. I like the Cobra Instruments rakes. They always work the best for me. I might have messed it up already though. There we go. Now I got it. So it can be raked pretty easily. And then to try to get into it, I'm just going to use the multi-pick 0.8mm top of the keyway, and then just a multi-pick standard hook. So let me make sure I'm actually on the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 2. So I didn't even have to hit 1 or 4. And that is the Yale 2" by 2" padlock.